Good day, everyone, and to you, Mr. Romero. So, today we are going to show you on how to install Windows Server Management. So, in this stage, you need to click the next button and then click the Install Now button. In this part of the video, you need to choose the data center with a GUI feature and then click the next button. Click the I agree and next button, and then you need to choose the custom. Select the partition to and then format it, and then click next and wait for the configuration setup to be done. In this part of the video, you need to select the first option and then wait for the device to get ready. In this part of the video, you need to choose the data center with a GUI feature and then click the next button. Select the partition to and then format it, and wait for the configuration setup to be done. In this part of the video, you need to select the first option and then wait for the device to get ready. In this part of the video, you need to choose the data center with a GUI feature and then click the next button. Select the partition to and then format it, and wait for the device to get ready. In this part of the video, you need to select the first option and then wait for the device to get ready. In this part of the video, you need to select the first option and then wait for the device to get ready. Next is the settings. First, you need to input the username, which is the administrator, and then input the designated password the installer provide, and then re-enter it. And once it's done, click finish and wait for the settings to be finalized. And once the settings being finalized, the Windows Server installation is done. Thank you.